welcome again to the Ask IIT very important video series. This video is about the reactivity series. Okay. Now what is the reactivity series? Reactivity series is nothing but a group of metals, okay, arranged basically on the basis of their reactivity. The one which is most reactive is placed on the top. The one which is the lowest reactive is placed at the bottom. How can you define which one is most reactive and which one is least reactive? The one which can easily lose its electron and convert itself into the positively charged atom, we can say that this is very good reactive. The one which cannot do that comes to the bottom. Okay. Now what are the elements? Here is the element arranged from highest to the lowest. How are you going to remember it? This is the mnemonic to remember all the reactivity series elements. Starting with Katerina, Ne, Car, Mangi, Alto, Zen, Ferrari. फिर भी Q, Milli, Silver, Audi. Okay, so this is the mnemonic series to remember the elements or the metals of the reactivity series. Easy way to remember. Stay tuned for more with Ask IIT and with me, Akshay.